Right, how's everybody doing on YouTube? It's been a long while since well, not a long while, but a few weeks since I've posted anything sort of fresh. I've finally got a bit of a job that's worth videoing. We've got put a track in a few weeks ago in brick rubble, and we're finally round to topping it off with road planings. Right, where was I? Yeah, we're finally getting around to topping off the road that we put down a few weeks ago. We had the JCB digging it out and we had it put down on brick rubble. And we've got little else to do on a very cold, snowy day, so we're just getting it topped with some road planings or road chippings, whatever you want to call them. Feels a bit strange getting a roller out at this time of year, but hey ho. To keep trying to take this roller down grass, because I've just spent a few nights mending it. Last year it had cracked in the centre on the ends of the drums. There's a washer welded in that obviously stops the two drums of the roller. In the middle there, you might be able to see it. It stops the two drums of the roller rubbing together, and it had cracked on the inside of there. We're using it on an industrial estate and going up and down curbs with it and such like. They're not really meant for that out flat rollers. But anyway, it's sealed and full of water and antifreeze again. Got it welded up like, and hopefully it doesn't start leaking and what have you. Yeah, it's the first bit of use with it since doing that, and we'll see. It's a bit heavier now that now that it's full of water, because of course it leaked out until the roller was about half full. So all being well, it should be good for another few years. Gonna have to get around to trimming some of these trees up. They're getting a bit low. I tell you what, I'd love to have one of them rollers with axle across the back that you can lift up off the road. It would be nice. But I have me with a little roller which I can pick up with the 3-point linkage, which I suppose is alright, but the roller's a little bit light. A little bit light for the tractors that we have anyway. This one's a bit heavier, a bit larger diameter like, but of course you can't pick it up or anything, which is a bit of a pain up road. That's about as fast as I ever dare go with it really, sort of jogging pace. And I think it's been some time since I've used a bloody roller. I think power steering is going up tractor. Anyway, this is the bit of road that we're doing. Bit of road that we're covering up anyway. I'm just putting this. We've got some fairly fine road planings which go down quite nice. With a couple of passes of a wet roller, nice and steady, and we'll should have it in quite nice and hard. It's usually better to do this in summer, we find. If you put it down, put a bit of diesel on, roll it and roll it and roll it, it goes down and nearly turns back to tarmac. but it's not summertime at the moment, it's actually snowing. So as you can see, all we do with this stuff is level it out as rough as we can with tractor, or as well as we can with tractor, and then it's just back at rakes, knock it about, take any big stones off and roll it in. We have put it down with diesel and a vibrating roller before, and that worked very well, but unfortunately it's not one of these, it's not a job where we can hire a vibrating roller, and it's not, you know, it's not a job on its own. We're here to do what the estate asks us to do, sort of thing. So they've asked us to put this road in and we'll use what we've got to do it. This is one of them jobs where I would personally love to have a little mini digger. I could have put it in and, you know, damn near done it on my own. Level it in with digger and then just quickly rake it over and roll it in. The job would be done. So I'm going to get back to the coal bit now, raking it out. But we've got that rolled in both ways. It's looking quite good. It almost looks like a proper road, so we'll see what happens with it. I'll get to raking it in for a bit. So we're nearly finished on this road, just doing the last bits of rolling in. It's come up quite nice, it looks like a proper, almost like a proper road.